Hi and welcome to ISE 2020 here at the Christie booth. I'm Marcus Seppenfeld, Product Manager for Pandoras box. I'm going to walk you through our demonstration in projection mapping and especially the opportunities of Widget Designer. So what you see over here is a slot car race, and we're doing a Grand Prix so you can win prizes when doing the fastest lap. And the question is, how do we do that? So as you can see, we are projection mapping this table, we are following the cars, and as you can see, the pace car which is coming up on here, it travels with an ID tag, so we know where it is, and you can see the trail that it's following. And so we know where it is, so we can react on this, and you would see on screens that we can automatically switch to different camera images based on its position. We can also use the other race cars, and if they get off track, we can start projecting a particle system, so this bursts into flames. And we're reading out the lap times because we're basically doing a competition, and the fastest lap is the day's winner. And we're reading out this entire racetrack as well with RS-232 connections, getting this into as a data format, like we do also with all the other information on the tracking, on a buzzer we're using, on RFID chips. So basically Widget Designer is about getting information into and computing it to finally create that result. So if you want to translate that to different applications, you can just choose whatever inputs you want to use to whatever outputs you want to do. This is a very versatile system, and if you want to learn more about that, you can check out www.christdigital.com. Thanks for watching.